Good morning, everyone. This morning I wanted to take a moment to go through and talk about the differences between the terms energy and work. If we were in class, we would go through and have this discussion. I would have you write out your vocabulary term, like what do you think work means? What do you think energy means? Because a lot of times what we think or define as work, like for instance, I have a lot of work to do, right? Or work might be defined as a job. Is different than what we're going to find in the scientific world. So what we're looking at, and in your Google form today, you're specifically looking at the terms of work and energy in relation to the physical science definition. So while there's other definitions that exist, especially for like the ELA and stuff like that, we want to specifically concentrate on the terms as they're used for scientific purposes. So energy and work are two completely different things. Work requires energy to be completed. So energy is the ability to cause a change in a specific state of matter, whether that is, solid, liquid, or gas. It could also cause changes in those states of matter. So it could be a change from solid to liquid to gas, or it could be solid to solid. Doesn't have to change a state of matter, but a change of that matter. It can be an object. So, for instance, energy is required for a ball to move. So energy is being exhibited in that particular instance. Work, however, is basically when one object or one state of matter hits another one and exerts force to make it move. Very, very, very important here. Movement has to occur in order for work to occur. So a little bit of an example, and some of you guys might relate to me on this. So I have a jar of hot fudge. I love hot fudge. I love ice. You guys know I love food. Ice cream is one of my favorites. But one of the problems that I always face whenever I have a jar of fudge or something like that in the fridge is trying to get it open. So if I were to go through and turn, I'm pushing really hard, I'm putting forth a lot of energy to get this to move because I'm exerting force and I'm trying to make it move. But if it doesn't move, I haven't accomplished any work. I haven't been able to open this. It's like if you were against a brick wall and going forward and trying to push that brick wall. Even if you push with all of your might and you put forth so much energy into pushing it, if you don't move it, you haven't accomplished any work. On the contrary, I asked my husband to loosen this for me. So if this has been loosened, I go through it and I turn it wrong way and I get the lid off, I have accomplished work because movement has occurred. So again, if I push, and I can't get it to move, no work has occurred. Even though I'm exerting force, I'm flexing my muscles, and trying to get it to move. However, if that force that I apply results in movement, the energy that I've applied has resulted in movement, work has now occurred. So that's our basic definition. And if you were to take a look, it's actually in our PowerPoint as well. I'll show you where that is really quick. And then that's going to be the entirety of this video. But if you were to go through and take a look, our PowerPoint, it's right here, energy versus work. So the technical definition is not my paraphrase definition. Energy is the ability to do work or cause changes in matter, and work is the transfer of energy from an object that forces by force that causes the object to move in one direction with that force. So again, you have to have energy to do work, but the presence of energy does not necessarily guarantee that work is being completed. There must be that movement, okay? So the object must move in order for work to occur. All right, well, that's it. And hope this helps as far as your definitions of everything. If you have any questions, please let me know. Bye.